Thank you for visiting the Life and Money Plan LAMP website. Would you be surprised to learn that you could take the same amount of money you currently spend on your monthly debts and potentially become debt-free in 8 to 12 years? LAMP analyzes your current information and performs tens of thousands of calculations to determine the most efficient way for you to pay off your debts. There are no theories or complicated formulas for you to figure out on your own. The LAMP system calculates everything for you and will even provide the exact month and year when you could be completely debt-free. We call this your financial freedom date, the moment when you will not owe anyone a single penny. This is the time when you can start living your life instead of constantly worrying about making ends meet and just surviving. Take a moment to think about it. What would your life look like if you woke up in the morning completely debt-free? How would you feel? What could you accomplish? What could you do for your family, your church, or others in need? The LAMP system has been 4 decades in the making, and for the first time, it is now available on your devices. This powerful personalized financial system allows you to systematically eliminate debt and manage your expenses from anywhere. The LAMP system offers a comprehensive financial plan that not only includes step-by-step instructions to help you get out of debt, but also addresses other essential financial needs required to build a strong financial foundation. We invite you to explore the Life and Money Plan system and to join us on the mission of getting America out of debt, one family at a time.